Hey guys, if you are using an iPhone and you are searching for cellular in settings but you only see mobile data or mobile service, don't worry, nothing's broken. Mobile data or mobile service and cellular are the same thing. Apple just uses different names depending on your iPhone language and region settings. Now what to do if you are seeing mobile data or mobile service instead of cellular, and if you really want to say it cellular, then follow these steps. To fix it, first of all, open your iPhone settings app. Now tap on general. Now scroll down and tap on language and region. Then tap on add language. Now all you have to do is search and select English US, and now tap use English US. Now the important part is make sure English US is at the top of your language list. If it's not, tap on here, then drag it to the top. Now when you go back to settings, you should see cellular instead of mobile data or mobile service. And that's it. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.